let's build one additional search query, and then I can show you also an advanced search query. Then maybe it provides you some other aspect or facet where of Jira searches. So let's say I'm interested in all the requirements that are in our first release, and releases are under the fixed version field. So I'm interested in release 1.0, and I can see that I have here 8 requirements that are all assigned to the release 1.0. I can see some links, statuses, who has reported those, assignees, created, updated, due dates, even, and this is pretty satisfactory for me. I'm saving this search query also. All requirements version 1.0, and now I can show you also the advanced searching. So I can switch to the query language here from the switch to JQuery button, and I can switch it back to the basic. So each search query is actually a search kind of like string, like you have functions in Google, like you can search based on time and file types and so on and so on. You have specific search query language inside Jira also. And if you have more complex search queries, then you need to have logical AND operations and OR operations that you can just mix up, define the orders, and so on and so on, and you will have your search result in front of you. We have also pretty simple query here. We just define the project is dev, and fixed version or the release is 1.0, and it's all combined with the logical AND. So I can write here even more like constraints or requirements for this search query. I can say that and assignee is myself, and I can see that if I'm clicking the search, I should have only this one row available. So I can actually write pretty detailed and specific queries, but let's remove that. I have a search query with results. I have it saved it, and I can go to, let's say, release 1.0 dashboard, and I will add again new gadget. I can let's say I will use filter result gadget, and I will use also a 2-dimensional Jira filter result as well. Drag one gadget to the right and one to the left, and now I can configure all requirement 1.0. I will add the traceability for the traceability linked issues. Save, and I have requirement keys, links, everything visible on our dashboard. Here, 2-dimensional filter result is is something where I can, for example, have kind of like it's kind of like pivot table. I will let's say what okay, let's add issue type, because we have here 5 some sort of tasks and few stories, and then status maybe to some other axis. Status, where is status? Down below here. And I can display also some other information regarding issue type and status next to it. So this is how you should build up your reporting, and if you're adding the same stuff to Confluence, so let's add one more time the Confluence Jira macro, then you next time know how to add that for sure. Confluence Jira macro. No, I had all something. Okay, it showed all filter ID 10,024. Let's copy it here. Search. Configure the layout. Let it be like that. And we have even more information available on our Confluence page.